Welcome to my channel. I am here today with a makeup look. It's been a minute since I've done a makeup look, so I felt it was about time. First, I'm going to prime and moisturize my face. This is a 2-in-1 by Shea Moisture. It's a primer and a moisturizer. Love it. As you can see, my skin is dry, so I'm going to apply this and you'll see that it actually does moisturize and not just prime. I'm gonna let that sit in for a minute. Today I'm going to be using this Almay Best Blend Forever. This will be my second time using this. The first time it was okay. It is a little bit dewy. I don't really like dewy, but I can work with this. And that's about all I'm gonna use, I think. Yeah. And as you can see, it is a light coverage foundation. You can barely tell the difference from this side of my face to this one, but it does even out my skin tone. That's why I like it. I don't really like full coverage. I've learned that because full coverage feels so heavy on my skin and it feels like it's going to slide off my skin. So just gonna go ahead and do the other side. I think I might need some more. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more. Okay, now that my foundation is applied, I'm going to go in and set with my Maybelline loose powder. This is in medium. So these are the areas I bake: my jawline, my inner eye. I used to bake under my eye, but this is better because this draws attention to your inner eye as opposed to your under eye, which can dry out if you bake under there too much and crack. This is better also because it draws attention to your eyes, baking the corners of your eye, and this is your high point and you want to draw attention there too. I heard that from Wayne Goss. Don't know if it's true, but I've been doing it ever since. As you can see, that baking brought some of the shine off of that foundation because it is a dewy foundation. So that's why I like baking also. It can tone down the shine if you have a dewy foundation. I'm going to sculpt my face with this NYX 3-step face sculpting palette. All right, I'm going to take this dark color to contour. You have to be careful. This is very pigmented. You see that? That's a little bit dark, so I'm gonna go in with this contour brush and try to blend that out some. Better. And I'm just lightly brushing this with the brush. This same palette, I'm going to take this highlight color and put it on my brow bone. Time to highlight using this shimmery color here. Okay, now that I've sculpted my face, it's time to do something with my eyes. Using this Juvia's Place Sahara to blush palette, I'm actually going to use this color Yara as my transition color. And I'm going to just dab that on. Using the same palette, I'm going to take B and dab that right on my crease. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just blend both of those colors together and just bring it upward. I'm going to use this Almay metallic eyeshadow. It's in the color Velvet Foil. It's a cream shadow. Using my fingers, I'm going to pop them on my lid. The last thing I'm going to do is add this teal blue eyeliner to my waterline. I'm going to use this pointy brush and dab it into this Yara and smoke out my under eye. It's really not a smoky effect because it's my skin tone, but it does help to blend out the eyeliner so it don't look so jagged. Today, the blush I'm going to use on my actual cheeks and not my eye is the B. And I always take my flat brush just to buff out my blush because I don't trust that I apply it appropriately. And this is when I actually smile to make sure I'm buffing it out smoothly. All right, now it's time to set this in with my Morphe setting spray. Mascara. I'm gonna do this lip today. This is the NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. It's super moisturizing and it has a slight metallic look to it. And that completes the look. Thank you for watching. See you next time.